I am going to eat McDonald's. Get fat.
Welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you?
Excuse me, I want 10 fries, giant fries and giant hamburgers.
Here you go.
That was so good. Oh no, I was fat. What if my parents see me like this?
Tom, I can't believe got fat McDonald's. You are grounded for 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 years. No TV, no movies, no video games, no Go Animate, no YouTube, no burger, no sandwich, no McDonald's, no Burger King, no Subway, no KFC, and no computer. Go to your room.
No.